right now we are given to understand that the former top cop Parambir Singh is at the NIA's office in Mumbai. Let me go across to my colleague Priyanka, who's reporting on this. Priyanka, give us a sense of what he is doing there, because we do know that the NIA at the moment, of course, is investigating two cases. One is the Antilia bomb scare, and the other, of course, is the Mansukh Hiren murder case. Is he being questioned by the NIA, and what is this in regards with?
Well, sources in the NIA have told us Parambir had been called into the NIA office as we speak for some inputs that he could provide in this particular case of the Mansukh Hiren murder case, and also the cases that are relating to Sachin Waze as well. Today, of course, is going to be a very crucial day of that, and which is why we have to look at the timeline of this, because just a few moments from now, in fact, we can expect that Sachin Waze will be taken out of the NIA office and brought here to the NIA court from where we're reporting, and he will be produced before the court for understanding whether or not his remand will be extended, as NIA had been adamant the last time as well that they need more time to confront Sachin Waze with the plethora of evidences that they have collected. So that in that reference, we are being given to understand that Parambir had also been called inside the NIA office to give some inputs in this particular matter. No, he has not yet officially been called into the NIA office in reference to this case, with reference to his connection to the case, but he has been called as he was the former Commissioner of Police of Mumbai, and he has been called to give certain inputs, certain answers to certain queries that NIA officials have also had, because today becomes very urgent in this particular matter, because at around 11 we can expect that Sachin Waze will be brought here to the NIA court, and right before that the former Commissioner of Police of Mumbai, Parambir, has been called to give certain inputs on the particular matter. So what we can expect is this, whatever inputs that would be given by Parambir as well might also be stated in the court.
Even though Parambir Singh has tried to distance himself from all these developments that we've seen, the fact is that he was the Mumbai CP when Wazegate happened, and also, during that period of the Antilia bomb scare. So is the police, is the NIA likely to ask him a question pertaining to those particular cases, since at the time he was heading the force?
Oh, in all probability that might happen, because we had been looking at the NIA giving out, source-based information that we had gotten from NIA is that they are not just looking at Sachin Waze. The buck, according to them, did not just stop at Sachin Waze. There were several top cops of the Mumbai police that had been involved in this entire matter, and they've also claimed that Sachin Waze was too low ranking an officer to have operated completely alone, and that no, he did not actually go rogue. There were some instructions that had been given to him. Who had given these instructions, under what circumstances these instructions were given, is something which is a matter of investigation, for which we are also getting an information that Parambir Singh has also been called, because he was, as you rightly said, the Commissioner of Police of Mumbai, and he will have some inputs about this. And earlier as well, we had seen in the Bombay High Court hearing where they had basically reprimanded Parambir and had asked him how he had not registered an FIR, and whether or not he was actually privy to all of these things that had been going on. So if we put all of these things together in perspective, we can expect that some kind of questions will be asked to Parambir about his involvement, about his knowing of Sachin Waze's operations as well. And that is exactly something we can expect the NIA also to mention in the NIA court when they present Sachin Waze for further remands, because they had said that they are adamant about keeping Sachin Waze in their spirit.
Now, Priyanka, this particular development of Parambir Singh being at the NIA office, in all probability, the NIA is speaking to him about the sequence of events that followed. It all comes to a head on a day when, the NIA goes ahead and asks perhaps for an extension in custody of Sachin Waze to be able to gather more information on the conspiracy behind this.
Well, absolutely. This is all going to come unraveling in within the next 1 hour, because we can expect that Sachin Waze will be brought out of the NIA office at around 11:15, after which he will be brought to the NIA court from where we're reporting. He will be brought right here, where the NIA will have to present their arguments to justify extending the remand period for his interrogation as well. And perhaps for that justification, they might also be stating of why the former Commissioner of Police, Parambir Singh, has now been called into the NIA. There might be some confirmation that they had been seeking in this entire matter with the documents that they had gathered. So all of these things are, as of now, some source-based information, but it will be all cleared up in within 1 hour when the NIA actually presents Sachin Waze inside the NIA court and seeks an extension of the remand for interrogation of Sachin Waze, because as per the NIA's legal team, we had seen their arguments in the last hearing as well, where they had not completely disregarded the fact that Sachin Waze had some medical conditions, but they had claimed that it is crucial and it's at most important that Sachin Waze be kept in the custody for interrogation, because they had claimed that they did not have enough time to confront him with the evidences that they had gathered, and they had claimed that the network goes deeper and much more larger than just Sachin Waze, which is why it is more and more crucial to have Sachin Waze in their custody so that they can interrogate him, so that they can confront him, because they had said they have gotten crucial pieces of evidences. Now, those evidences might be the same ones which they had to ask Parambir Singh for queries as well, because right 1 hour before Sachin Waze was to be brought to the NIA court, but we see the former Commissioner of Mumbai Police, Parambir Singh, entering the NIA office for giving some inputs on this entire matter. We will have to wait for probably 1 more hour to understand exactly what had conspired. Yeah.
Now, Priyanka, even as this happens, of course, you know, from Sachin Waze's defense team, they had raised the matter that he's not very well, and hence he should, you know, his custody should not be extending. So what are you hearing on that aspect? And also, you know, even as the NIA probe continues, now there is a CBI investigation that's also on in the letter case that Parambir Singh wrote to, wrote about extortion allegations.
Well, exactly my point, that this cannot be just looked at in fragments, because we will have to look at the bigger picture here with regards to what has happened in the NIA court, with regards to the investigation of the NIA, and also the order of the Bombay High Court of April 5th, where they had ordered a preliminary inquiry of the CBI, after which the political drama had unfolded, and the then Home Minister of Maharashtra, Anil Deshmukh, had to resign, and of course now he's appealed in the Supreme Court as well. All of these things being taken into consideration altogether, it really shows us a bigger picture, because it is not just about Sachin Waze now, it is not just about the Antilia bomb scare, it is not just about the Vasuli Gate scandal. All of these links are slowly getting connected, and that now the clincher, of course, is also that the NIA sources claiming that their investigation has taken a turn towards looking into further top cops of Mumbai Police to understand how large this entire network was, which means they're also looking at several senior officials, which might also include the likes of Parambir. As of now, there's no confirmation on that, but these events are really telling, when 1 hour before Sachin Waze is to be brought to the NIA court, Parambir Singh enters in the NIA office for understanding or for quote unquote giving inputs on this entire investigation. So all of these things will now come unraveling in within an hour, when an NIA actually produces Sachin Waze in the court and asks for further remand, and the justification and the arguments for that will be given, put forth in front of the court, and those might include some kind of answers as to what exactly this investigation has gone on and who they're looking at in terms of this entire scandal that had broken out.
Now, Priyanka, you know, ever since we have this case came to the fore, there have been a sequence of events that have been unveiled. The NIA has looked at evidence, you know, which points to the fact that there was a lot of planning, coordination and effort that actually went into the sequence of events that we've seen in Mumbai. You know, from the time that there was a gelatin stick loaded vehicle that was found outside Antilia, to the time that we've had, Mansukh Hiren's murder case and thereafter. So in that sense, there have been a large series of events that have been interconnected. And now, of course, it has gone, the case, some parts parts of the case have gone to the CBI, which has also begun its preliminary inquiry. It took over that case yesterday. Now, give us a sense of how each of these are connected, because there is at the end one larger conspiracy perhaps at play.
Well, yes, as we had been talking about, not to be looking at it in bits and fragments, but let us put it in perspective for our viewers once again. We had seen from the very beginning that the investigation started off with the Antilia bomb scare, and of course after that we had seen the Vasuli Gate scandal, after which plethora of evidences had come out with the Vasuli diary that had come out from several counterparts of Sachin Waze. Man Fridays of Sachin Waze had been brought into custody. They had been questioned. Over 50 plus witnesses we've been given to understand that the NIA had questioned to understand what this entire network was all about. And recently, right after the last hearing, we had spoken to our NIA sources who had given us an inkling that they are not just looking at Sachin Waze as the man at the epicenter of this all, but also somebody who was being used for this entire larger network that had been in place from the very beginning. And there are top cops of the Mumbai police who were perhaps also involved in this entire case. And now after that, we had seen, after the Bombay High Court reprimanded Parambir Singh, they had asked him whether he was above the law and why he did not register an FIR if he knew about the entire link of the Home Minister apprising the police officers of a 100 crore target. So all of those things come unraveling after the CBI inquiry was ordered by the Bombay High Court, because after which the then Home Minister Anil Deshmukh had to resign, and then there was a shuffling in the cabinet. So all of those things will have to be put into perspective after the NIA investigation is done, and also perhaps more answers will come out after the CBI inquiry. The preliminary inquiry is actually carried out for 15 days of time period, which has been granted to them by the court. And today as well, within an hour, we will have some kind of inkling as to what the NIA investigation has pointed towards and whether or not they're looking at some of the top cops of Mumbai police, which also now includes Parambir Singh, because him entering the NIA office 1 hour before Sachin Waze will be presented in the NIA court for extension of remand is something which is a very telling sign, and we will have to wait inside of the NIA court as to what arguments the NIA actually presents. But side by side, parallelly, there is a CBI preliminary inquiry already going on with respect to the petitioner and the complainant Jayashree Patil, whose FIR had not been registered, and the Bombay High Court had completely disregarded Parambir's petition, and they had claimed if he knew about all of these things that had been going on in the Mumbai police, why did he not go ahead and register an FIR? So all of those questions will be put into perspective with the NIA investigation and the parallel CBI inquiry that will also now go on in this particular case.
Absolutely, Priyanka. As you're pointing out, there are a lot of developments in this particular case this morning. Of course, we see visuals on our screen of Parambir Singh. He's entering the NIA office. Now, sources within the NIA have told Republic that his inputs, quote unquote, are being sought in the two cases that the NIA is now investigating. One of them, of course, is the Mansukh Hiren murder case and the Antilia bomb scare case. So those are the two inputs that the NIA is looking at from them. Also joining me right now is Alisha. Alisha, there are a lot of developments that are happening simultaneously in this case. In the next 1 hour rather, we're going to see the NIA approach the court, perhaps looking for an extension in Parambir's, in Sachin Waze's custody. On the other side, visuals coming in this morning suggest that Parambir Singh has been called by the NIA to give his inputs in the two cases that they are investigating. Now, for our viewers, piece these two together.
देखिए बिल्कुल पहला जहाँ पर हम देखें कि आज सचिन वाजे को एनआईए जो है वो स्पेशल एनआईए कोर्ट पर लेकर जाएगी, क्योंकि आज सचिन वाजे की कस्टडी पूरी हो चुकी है, लेकिन 25 दिन आज काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंटली भी देखा जाएगा, क्योंकि 25 डेज जो इंट्रोगेशन है सचिन वाजे की एनआईए की ओर से की गई है और कई ऐसे एक्शंस भी हमने देखी, फिर चाहे सीन रिक्रिएट करना हो या फिर, लेकिन सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट डेवलपमेंट जहाँ पर हम देख रहे हैं कि परमबीर सिंह जो कि एनआईए ऑफिस पर अवेलेबल थे, तस्वीरें हम आपको एनआईए ऑफिस की दिखा दें जहाँ पर परमबीर सिंह वहाँ पर पहुँचे हैं और सूत्रों से जहाँ पर पता चल रहा है कि आज परमबीर सिंह से मोस्टली जो सवाल किए जाएंगे, क्योंकि परमबीर सिंह के कहने पर ही जो है सचिन वाजे कहीं ना कहीं पर रीइंस्टेट हुए थे, क्योंकि एक रिव्यू मीटिंग जो की गई थी, सचिन वाजे के रीइंस्टेट करने के लिए, उनको फिर से ज्वाइनिंग करने के लिए, वहीं पे उसी रिव्यू मीटिंग में जो परमबीर सिंह उस समय मौजूद थे और उन्हीं के ऑर्डर पर जो है सचिन वाजे को फिर से मुंबई पुलिस में लिया गया 16 साल के सस्पेंड होने के बाद। इम्पोर्टेंटली ये बताया जा रहा है कि सचिन वाजे जो है वो इंडिपेंडेंटली खुद अब परमबीर सिंह को ही रिपोर्ट करते थे। तो इन सारी चीज़ों को कॉन्स्पिरेसी को लेकर, यानी 25 फरवरी से लेकर जहां अब देखा जा रहा है, यानी 1 महीने से ज़्यादा दिन समय हो चुके हैं जहां पर एनआईए इस पूरे मामले की जांच करी, लेकिन जो कॉन्स्पिरेसी रची गई, फिर चाहे वो 4 फरवरी के हो या फिर उनके होटल के स्टे को लेकर हो, जिस तरीके से प्लानिंग पूरी की गई थी, क्या परमबीर सिंह को इसके बारे में नहीं पता था? और इम्पोर्टेंटली सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट जो लग्जरी कार, जो करीबन 9 लग्जरी कार जो है वो एनआईए के स्कैनर पर है। एनआईए कई कार को जब्त भी कर चुकी है, लेकिन उसमें से कई कार, फिर चाहे ऑडी, मर्सिडीज, इनोवा, ये सारी गाड़ी जो है वो सीपी ऑफिस में मौजूद थी, सीपी प्रीमाइसेस में मौजूद थी। तो क्या परमबीर सिंह को इसके बारे में कोई जानकारी नहीं थी? ये सारी चीज़ों को लेकर आज स्टेटमेंट जो है वो परमबीर सिंह का रिकॉर्ड किया जाएगा। लगभग 1 घंटे होने जा रहे हैं जहाँ पर परमबीर सिंह एनआईए ऑफिस पहुँचे, उनसे सवाल किए जा रहे हैं। उनसे पहले तो सचिन वाजे को लेकर किए जाएंगे, क्योंकि किन आधार पर सचिन वाजे को रीइंस्टेट किया गया था, उनको मुंबई पुलिस के खास तौर पर सीआईयू यूनिट के हेड बना दिया गया था, ये किसका डिसीजन? क्योंकि जाहिर सी बात है, जो ऑफिशियल लेटर आते, जो ऑफिशियल ऑर्डर थे, उस समय परमबीर सिंह के इसी डिसीजन ने, जो रिव्यू मीटिंग लिए गए थे, जो कि खुद परमबीर सिंह उस सब मीटिंग पर मौजूद थे, उन्हीं के डिसीजन के बाद जो है सचिन वाजे को लिया गया था। ऑन व्हाट बेसिस लिया गया था? साथ ही जो सारे कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो चुकी है, फिर चाहे वो आंटिलिया केस को लेकर हो या फिर मनसुख हिरेन मर्डर केस को लेकर हो, इन दोनों में सचिन वाजे का जो इन्वॉल्वमेंट दिखाई दिया है, खास तौर पर इन हर एक चीज़ को लेकर, फिर चाहे वो सीसीटीवी फुटेजेस हो या फिर एक तरफ जो है आंटिलिया बॉम्बस्केयर को लेकर, फिर चाहे वो स्कॉर्पियो और इम्पोर्टेंटली जो इनोवा गाड़ी जो यहाँ पर सीपी ऑफिस पर रुकी रही, इन सारी चीज़ों को देखते हुए परमबीर सिंह के साथ